I'm going to start with a very simple walk. It's also might be called a hustle. I'm going to start on the right foot. Walk, 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 walk. Or you can start on the left, depending on what the dance calls for. Walk, 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 walk. The count would be the count for this would be 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's a walk. Now we're going to do a shuffle forward. We're going to do it with the right foot. It's a right foot shuffle forward. Shuffle forward. The left shuffle forward. Shuffle forward. The count on that is 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And that's a shuffle forward. You also have a shuffle back. So it's a shuffle back or a left shuffle back. The count on that would be 1 and 2. As the front forward would be 1 and 2. Those are shuffle forwards and shuffle back. Next is going to be a right side rock. You're going to just put your left foot out and rock over and recover back. Rock to the side. That would be 1, 2. With that speed, it might be 1 and 2. Next, we're going to do a left side rock step. So that would be, move over a little bit so I can have room. That would be left side rock step. Or 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to do toe struts. A toe strut is simply putting your toe forward with your heel up and then placing your heel down. Toe strut with your toe, left toe next, and heel down. So it's toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut. Count on that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The counts are important. Now, the next one I'm going to do is a side together side. Side together side. Excuse me, that's a side touch side. Side together side. Side together side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In some counts it might be 1 and 2. 1 and 2. That's a side together side. Side together side. And a lot of dances. Next we have a jazz box. You have a right or a left jazz box. We're going to do the right jazz box first, which is confusing. You start with the right foot. Let me say that again. A right jazz box is turning to the right with your left foot. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you bring your left foot back across your right, step back on your right, and then side together with back beside your right foot. And that's called by the direction that you're turning in. You're actually using your left foot. It's a little confusing. Now, a left jazz box would be just the opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a left jazz box. Right jazz box. 1, 2, 3, 4. left jazz box. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 count step. Now we also have a turning jazz box. We can turn to the right or we can turn to the left. If we're turning to the right, then we will start with the right foot, bring it around, 2, 3, 4. So you're doing the same step, but you're just angling. I'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're only turning a quarter turn on that. I'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can do it the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's another quarter turn. I'll do that one again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turning jazz box to the right and to the left. Now, another very common dance step is a rumba box. And this would be, depending on what corner, we're starting in the left lower corner. So we're going to do up, together, back, back, together, cross. And that would be a rumba box. Or you can go the other direction, starting in the left lower corner. You can go 1, 2, 3, touch, 1, 4, 5, 6, touch. 1, 2, 3, touch, 4, 5, 6, touch. That's a rumba box. Side together, up, side together, back. Side together, up, side together, back. Okay. Now, another very common step is the grapevine. And you can either grapevine to the right and grapevine to the left. And usually if you do a grapevine, you're going to do both. So, grapevine to the right is step to the side, bring your left foot behind, and then bring your right foot out beside. And then you can bring that foot together. For the left grapevine, you step your left foot out, bring your right foot behind, and bring your left foot over, and bring your feet together. Vine to the right, vine to the left. Vine to the right, vine to the left. Counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we're going to do a half turn. If you're going to make a half turn to the left, you would bring your right foot forward and change weight, and then bring your feet together. I'll go back around. If you're going to make a left turn, you bring your left foot forward, turn, and bring your feet together. It's easier on a flat, hard surface instead of a carpet. Just make that turn. Okay, that's a half turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going back and forth. Now, another very common turn is a quarter turn. And so you would bring your foot out and just make a quarter turn. That would be a quarter turn to the left. Quarter turn to the right. Just like that. Bring your foot forward and pivot, and then you're facing a new wall. This is often how you change a new wall in a dance. We have 1 wall dances, 2 wall dances, and 4 wall dances. Next, we're going to do a lindy. A lindy is a shuffle either to the right or to the left with a rock back step. And sometimes that's what they call it, but a short name for that is a Lindy. It's very common in swing to have a Lindy swing that you would have this step. So it's shuffle to the right, rock back, recover. Shuffle to the left, rock back, recover. Shuffle to the right, rock back, recover. Shuffle to the left, rock back, recover. These are often paired as well. Shuffle a Lindy to the right or Lindy to the left. But the shuffle to whichever side and rock back, that is a Lindy. L-I-N-D-Y, Lindy step. Now, there's another step that's common. It's a step touch. And when you step touch to one side, you usually always step touch to the other. So it's step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You may just do one, a set of 4 count, or you may do a bunch of them. Now, another very popular step is called the K-step. There's a dance called the K-step boogie, which has a K-step in it. You have to envision that the K has a line coming down the side, and then it has another line going up at an angle to the right, and another angle going down to the right. You're going to be basically moving on the parts where the line comes down and intersects into that straight line and back to the other. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And generally we clap with it. Step, clap, step, clap, step, clap, step, clap. And you complete it at coming back to that center point on that K. Step, clap, step, clap, step, clap, step, clap. K-step. Another very common step is heel together. And that's very simple. Right heel together, left heel together. Heel together, heel together, heel together, heel together. And that count would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, incorporating a couple of these steps together is a shuffle forward, rock, recover. Shuffle forward, rock, recover. Or shuffle back, rock, recover. Shuffle forward, rock, recover. I think that's all I'm going to do for right now. That's quite a number of them.